Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. I'm Yaz, and today I'm going to show you how to get my go-to Christmas work party glam. So let's go. I'm going to show you how to get the perfect makeup look from the start of the night all the way to the end of the night, whatever the plans are. So we're going to start off with the perfect primer, which is the Underglow blurring primer, and this just gives you a nice radiant glow. It truly is an amazing primer, and it just preps the skin so beautifully. Do you see how nice and glowy my skin looks, but also nice and blurred? There's a reason why this primer is the best primer on the market. Because you want extra glow, because this is a Christmas party, we're going to be using the Radiance booster, and I'm using the shade Toffee Glow. This product gives you an extra shot of glow, which we need. Look at how it just blends into the skin. It's so beautiful, and it just gives the skin that extra boost of glow that I needed. Do you see how nice and glowy my skin looks? This is why I love the Radiance Booster. It's a stunning product. Next up, blurring skin tint. I use the shade Golden Deep. Such beautiful formula, and it's so buildable as well. Just blends absolutely beautifully into the skin. And what I love about the three products, the blurring skin tint, the Radiance Booster, and the Underglow blurring primer, is that it just gives you that gorgeous base. And you can see for yourself, nice and radiant. I look absolutely stunning. And the blurring skin tint is really good for a night out as well, because it's got a satin matte finish, so you do not look overly matte, which I don't love. I love a bit of glow, but also your makeup stays on for ages, because you want your makeup to last all night. Look at that iconic glow. Isn't it beautiful? To conceal, we're going to be using the Radiant Concealer and Brightening Duo. These are my favorite. This is my third one that I've used. This is a brand new fresh one. I love the crayon in here. It just brightens the under eye. Let me do this eye first and show you. Just really lifts the under eye area. Do you see how bright this side is compared to this side? This is why I love this concealer. I'll do this side now. I'm going to be using the fluid concealer side just to finish off the under eye. Now that we're all nice and concealed and glowy, let's do Iconic London's viral face ombre. So I'm going to start off with the bronze. So what you want to do is apply dots where you want to bronze. Next up, blush. Then you want to use the Rollaway Glow as your highlight. I'm gonna do this all over my face as well. So use your highlight here. Now that we've got a bunch of dots and lines all over our face, let's blend this together. And do you see how that just blends so beautifully into the skin? It's just a nice sheer wash of color on the skin. I almost forgot about my nose. That is it all blended. You cannot tell me my skin does not look nice and glowy and radiant. And now we're going to go in with the Kiss by the Sun multi-use cheek glow in So Cheeky. How cute does this look? This color is stunning. I'm just going to brush this along the cheekbones to give a little bit of radiance and glow, but also color to the skin. Isn't this shade gorgeous? It's the perfect peachy shade. And the formula of this product is stunning. It's a mix between a cream and a powder, so it just gives you that lovely airbrushed but yet glowy look to the skin. You guys can see it for yourself. It's beautiful. Next step is brows, and I'm going to be using the Triple Precision Brow Definer in Chocolate Brown. And what I love about this is you get a spoolie and you get the liner as well, and the crayon side, so you can draw your brows in. Start off with this brow. Fill in this brow with the crayon side first. Use the stylo side to draw brow hairs. So I don't really have many brow hairs in my brows, so this stylo works perfectly for me. I'm using the spoolie to give myself a natural finish to the brows. That is this brow compared to this brow. Isn't it insane? I now have brow hairs, so I'm gonna do this one and I'll be back. Brows are done. It's crazy how brows can really frame the face, right? For eyeshadow, we're gonna be using the Blooming and Gleaming eyeshadow palette. Let me show you. It's so pretty. I'm going to start off with this shade here called Dolce de Leche, and I'm applying this all over the lid to create a nice solid base for the eye. Next up, we're going to be using Real One to create dimension in the crease. Just packing the color on until I get the desired look I'm after. To make the eyes pop, we're going to be using the shade Glow Up. It's such a lovely, perfect shade for the Christmas season as well. It just ties the whole makeup look together. There's something about shimmer that just makes me so happy. And I'm going to finish off the eye look with Chic to Chic in the inner corner, just to make the eyes pop even more. Oh, that's so bright and pretty. Oh my gosh. Next up, the Triple Threat Mascara. I love this mascara. It just lifts up the lashes and gives them a lovely volume. And that is one side with mascara and one side without. Can you see the difference? It's amazing. I'm going to apply on this side and I'll be back. Apply a bit of lashes. I'm going to apply these faux mink lashes on off camera. Just add a bit of glam and I'll be right back. Eye look is complete. Look at it. It's so pretty. And the lashes just added that touch of glam that this look needed. So for the lips, I'm going to be using the Full of Pout lip liner and the plumping lip gloss. Start off with the lip liner and I'm using the shade 7 Looks. These lip liners are so creamy, by the way. And now that I've finished drawing my lips, I'm going to use the sponge just to blend out any harsh lines on my lips. Now that we've lined the lips, just use the plumping lip gloss. I'm using the shade Nearly Nude. This feels so nice on the lips and it's enriched with biomimetic peptides, which gives your lips a nice plump look and effect. It looks so pretty already. You can already see on my bottom lip how plump my lips look. Of course, no Christmas glam would be complete without the Prep Set and Glow mist. I'm always obsessed with how pretty this looks when you shake it together. And on the décolletage as well. Look at that glow. I'm gonna get changed and I'll be right back. I'm all ready for my Christmas do. I've got my Christmas outfit on. It's nice and sparkly to match this gorgeous, beautiful glam that we did together. Like, I'm obsessed with how my makeup turned out. Isn't it stunning? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, babes.